I'm Matthew Phillips.
I'm Annie Kane. I'm working on Where the Wild Books Are. It's a research project to help collect data that we don't have right now about how people use the library. We're using students this time.
So when a student checks out a book, we know that point, and when a student returns a book, we know that point, but we really don't know how they use the book in between.
It's a mystery. It's the wild. We don't know where they go. We know when they check it out, we know when they return it, and we don't know what they're doing with it in between.
So with Where the Wild Books Are, we ask them to log each usage using a mobile application. We record the timestamp so we know when they're using it during the day. And of course, over a period of a semester, we know how many times they're using it. And then we also ask them to record the location they're studying in. So, are they at a coffee shop? Are they at a library? Are they in their dorm? We sort of kind of get those buckets of physical location.
You just hit scan new item, brings up the camera. You point it right at the Harvard barcode. Ooh, come on, there we go. They add it to their list, and so they have a list of items they have from the library, and every time that they use an item, they find it on the list, give it a tap, and then they tell us from these categories where they are using it. These are still being refined, so they may change. And they choose the closest one that fits to what they're using, tap that, and it sends the information off to us, and that's it.
We're hoping to maybe answer a couple of questions. So maybe we can use this data to show that, to help influence lending period policies. Do students use the books just right before exams?
The idea was it could possibly influence library hours if everybody's studying at home or in a cafe at 3 a.m. every day a lot. Maybe the library needs to be open then. At the core, it's about serving the users better, knowing what they do and changing our policies and our services to help them better use stuff.